week is all about pattern. As you know, a pattern is when two or more things repeat. So if you were to make a pattern with colors, it could be blue, green, blue, green, blue, green. You can make a pattern with lines, shapes, designs, colors, objects, whatever you can think of, as long as two or more things repeat. We've worked on this before the school year, so this will be an excellent review for you. We are going to make an artwork today using your name, and then we are going to add some patterns using lines, shapes, colors, designs. You can use crayons for this project with watercolors, like a crayon resist. You can use markers, you can use colored pencils, you can make it all just in black Sharpie, or just all in pencils. Lots of different choices. It's totally up to you, but I'm going to show you how to put it together. Here we go. Our goal for this in writing your name is to touch the top and bottom of the paper you have in front of you. So to make sure I do that properly, I'm going to use a pencil first to sketch it out. I'm going to write Mrs. Shepherd. I'm going to start with my S here. Maybe I'll sketch it out a little bit. H, it's kind of long. Oy, oy, oy. H, E, and then you can adjust, and you can have your parents help you with this too. And then you can also have your letters touching, and that way it's going to create these sections for making your designs. I'm gonna make this E part of my H. Ooh, that was a really tight fit, but I did it. Okay. And then I'm going to put M, R, S in here. Okay. And now I'm going to trace everything. Right, I thickened some of my lines, and now we'll get started. And I erased my pencil lines, so now we'll get started with our patterns. So I'm going to start with some markers, and I'm just going to do dots and then line in between. And then whenever there's a black line separating, so if there's a letter separating a space and another letter, that's when I change my pattern. But you can, of course, repeat patterns too. So maybe I'll just repeat this pattern inside of these letters. And I'm making it easier for myself rather than always opening and closing markers. I'm just adding one and then switching to the other part of the pattern. So here we go. When I'm done with this, I'm gonna switch to crayons, and I'm gonna alternate, and then I'll watercolor part of it. Here's my finished artwork. Give this a try. Try out different patterns and designs. You don't have to do what I did. And have fun and share your work. Bye.